last videos, we covered very clearly about git reset command. Sir, almost we performed postmortem on this command. How you can discard changes in the staging area, how you can undo commits in the repository, what are various modes are available, soft mode, mixed mode, hard mode, what is the difference between these modes, like all the things we covered very clearly, right? Okay, sir, now the next concept what I have to discuss, sir, git aliasing concept. Okay, how to git aliasing concept. Okay, like git aliasing. So let me talk about this concept, right? Sir, first question is, what is alias? Have you heard anywhere alias name? What is the meaning of alias? Anyone, can you please respond? What is the meaning of, what it means, alias? Okay, alias, I can use the word nickname, correct, right? Nickname or other name, other name, or other alternative name, other alternative name. Okay, alternative name. Okay, like so aliasing, especially people's who are Naxalites are there. Okay, Ramakrishna, Elias Bujji, or Elias something like, have you heard about that? So Mahalakshmi, Elias Setaka, Elias something like, so Elias means other alternative name, other convenient name or nickname. Okay, like, sir, now, sir, here in git, there are several commands we are always going to use. Okay, git, sir, just git log hyphen one line. Do you know multiple times we use this command, right? Multiple times we are using this command. Next, git status, we have to use multiple times these commands. Array, sir, why you have to type full command? Why you have to type full command? Just a simple git one. If I use git one, automatically, if it is going to execute, then it is a more convenient name or not? Yes, it is the nickname. If you want, you can define nickname for our git command. This nickname itself is nothing but alias name. I hope everyone in the position to understand clearly, right? Okay, git status, why you have to use git status always? Git st, or otherwise git yes, git st, git st, or otherwise simple yes, git yes, like you can use no problem at all. Are you getting? So we can define our own nicknames, our own alias names, sir, for most commonly used lengthy commands. Tomorrow, if I have a bit lengthy command is there, hyphen one line, next and after that, hyphen decorate, some big command is there, sir, dot big command is there. Now simple, sir, this total command, what we can take is git simple one. You can define your own convenient name for this command. That convenient name itself is nothing but alias. I hope everyone in the position to understand, right? Can you please respond? Everyone in the position to understand what is the meaning of alias name? Sir, the people who attended Linux, I told in the Linux also aliasing concept is there. The same aliasing concept is available even in the git also. Okay, like, so what is the advantage is, okay, we are not required to remember, you are not required to type lengthy commands every time. Just very simple, sir, simple shortcut name you can use, so our life will become very easy. So for that, we can go for git aliasing concept. Okay, well, now, sir, how you can define our alias names, sir? Okay, where these alias names are going to be stored, sir, how you can use these things? Let me go for a small chota example, sir. Now my question is, with the example I will take, create, okay, create alias name, create alias name one to the following one to the following command. Sir, which commands are git git log, git log hyphen one line. Okay, so whenever we are for this command, I want to define alias name one. alias name 1. So if I define alias name, now you are not required to use complete git 1. That's all. Git 1, simple, sir. So you can how to define one as alias name for this git command, sir. It's a very simple. First question, what you have to do is which alias name you want to use. Can you please confirm, everyone? Which alias name you want to use? One alias name. Alias name one. So first, is it available or not? Okay. Test whether alias name is already used or not. Already used or not. Array, is it available or not? I want to test. Okay. How you can do is git one. Type that. Git one. So if it is telling, boss, there is no such type of command, means happily you can use one as your alias name. Let me go for that. Here observe that how many projects are there. Git projects. You can go to any project, no problem at all. Okay. Let me go for cd project 7. Okay, now observe this cd project 7. Okay, now git status, if I consider on branch master, everything is clean. Git log hyphen one line. Oh, only one commit is there, sir. Okay, only one commit is there. Okay, like what I want to take, let me create another commit. Another, let me do one or two commits, right? Touch a.txt, b.txt, c.txt. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Next, git add a.txt. Next, and after that, git commit hyphen m a.txt added. A.txt added. Okay, like one more commit, sir. Okay, committed. Next, and after that, let me do b.txt. Next, b.txt added, something like, okay, let me do c.txt. C.txt and c.txt added. Okay, like c.txt added, like now observe that git log hyphen one line. Okay, yeah, good. Now multiple commits are available, right? Okay, excellent. Now my requirement is, so first I have to check whether one is available or not. Okay, what I will do is git one I'm taking, sir. Now what is the answer it is telling? Can you please confirm? What is the answer? What is the answer it is telling, sir? Here, have you observed? So git one is not a git command, not a git command. So clear indication that now you can use one as alias name or not, because it's not already used. It is not already used. Happily you can use one as your alias name. Okay, so test whether alias name is already used or not. Yes, it is not already used. Happily you can use. Next, how to create alias name? Creating alias name. I want to create alias name. How you can do that? Yes, sir. This is the very important thing. Please take a bit special care, sir. Sir, now what is our original command? Can you please spell out original command? Original command is, what is our original command? Git log hyphen one line. This is about my original command. What is the alias name I want? Alias name I want one. Of course, git one. Okay, like one I want, sir. Okay, that's it. So how you can create, sir? By using git config command. By using git config command, we can define aliases. Observe very carefully, sir. If you want to define aliases in git, which command we require to use? Git config is the command we require to use. Somewhere we use git config. Have you remembered, right? At our childhood, somewhere we covered git config to configure username, to configure user email. Have you remembered, right? Okay, just git config. Next, to configure diff tool, merge tool. I hope you remembered. Okay, like there we used for aliases also. We require to use same git alias command only. How you can do that, sir? Very simple. Git config. Observe carefully, sir. Git config, sir. Hyphen global, because I want these alias names not to the local repository. For all repositories I want hyphen global. Okay, like alias dot your alias name you have to use. Okay, your alias name you have to use, right? So just I'm telling the syntax. Assume that just I'm talking about syntax, right? So alias dot your required alias name and then original command. Sir, which is the original command here? This is the original command, correct, right? This is the original command, but make sure whenever we are specifying original command, you should not use git. Remember this, okay? Git is the utility, actual command is this one, okay? Execute this command by using git, execute this command by using git. That's why you have to specify this command without git. This is a very important, sir. While defining aliases for our git command, you have to consider only this one, but you should not consider this, okay? Like now let me go for example for this, okay? Example, sir. Git alias, what is the alias name you require? Can you please confirm what is the alias name you require? One alias name. So what is my sir original command? Log hyphen one line. Have you observed? Log hyphen one line. Here you should not use git. If you are using git, it won't work. I will show that also, don't worry at all, okay? If I execute this command now onwards, so whenever you require to use a log hyphen one line, don't use that. Simple, you can use one because one will become your alias name. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Yes, clear, right? Okay, that's all, sir. Now let me cross check git one. Am I going to get same output or not? Okay, git log hyphen one line I'm taking. Now git one I'm taking. Yeah, are you seeing any difference in the output? Respond. Are you seeing any difference in the output? Oh, same output only, but here you have to type this one, but here just simply we require to use git one. Now what is the original command, what is the alias command? Now the terminology is the very clear for you people, right? Friends, everyone in the position to understand how to define alias names, okay? In the git, that's what you should aware, okay? Like next, let me go for another small example, sir. Okay, my question is, sir, just I want to create, can you please create alias name? Yes, sir, this is about my question, sir. What is the second question I'm taking is, here just observe that create alias name, create, sorry, create alias name. Yes, yes, create alias name. Yes, to the for the following git command, for the following git command. Which commands are git status? Okay, git status, sir. Several times we require to use status. Why you have to type git status every time? Git yes, that's all. Git yes itself is definitely it should work. Okay, let me cross check here, sir. What I will take is first, is it available or not? Git yes, git yes, I'm taking, sir. Now, sir, yes is not a git command. Yeah, clear indication that, sir, yes is not already available. Happily you can use yes as your alias name, no problem at all. Okay, like a first one. Next, git, sir, I forgot how to define alias name. Can you please confirm? You have to tell, sir. Git config hyphen global. I want this alias name globally. Hyphen global. Sir, what is the command we require to take? Alias dot yes, and here status. Okay, like that's all. Here you should not use git status. You have to specify only status. Okay, like now have a look once about this one, sir. Yes, clear, I hope. Clear, I hope. Okay, now I have to take, sir, here git status I'm taking. Git status. Yes, it is telling, sir, what is the on branch master? Nothing to commit, work entry is the clean. Sir, now I'm taking it. Yes, sir. It's the same answer. Let me create a file. Touch z.txt I'm taking, sir. Z.txt. Now git status. Yes, sir. Okay. Now z.txt is the untracked. Perfectly, it is working. So everything is clear for you people. Not required to keep any explanation about this one, sir. Okay, some students may ask, the people especially you are coming from Linux, in the Linux we define alias name. So some people may ask, the doubt is, sir, you are defining alias name like this, and then you have to call git yes, and then you require to call git yes. Sir, if I use git here, then directly by using yes command you can access, like some people may have this type of doubt also. Are you getting? Some people may have this type of doubt also. Okay, sir, specify git here, and then you can use yes directly. You can use yes directly, like some people may feel, sorry, it is not going to work. Okay, where is the proof for that? Let me take a yes yes. Okay, yes yes, I'm taking yes yes, right? Yes already there, yes yes, I'm taking for a fact. Now let me take, it is okay, well, alias is defined for git status. Okay, like now let me use yes yes. What it is telling? Bash ss command not found. Every git command should be executed by git only. Whenever you are using ss, it is treated as bash command. Okay, remember that. Now what I have to take? Git yes yes. Now observe that. So expansion of alias ss failed. Git is not a git command. Okay, like it is telling. What is the reason why this problem is coming is, now have a look once. Have a look once. Why this problem is coming is, sir, you are using git ss. Git ss. Internally, git yes yes. Yes yes means which one, sir? Can you please spell out? SS means what thing you configure? What thing you configure? Git status. Okay. Instead of SS, let me take a git status. Now git followed by git status. Sorry, it is not a git command. Are you seeing the problem, right? Now what will happen? Is that clear for you people? So that's why while defining git aliases, don't use git here. Now the problem is the very clear for you people, right? Okay, well. So now you may have another doubt. Sir, I define aliases, excellent. But the problem here is where these aliases are stored. Because tomorrow I want to change alias definitions. Array commands, alias commands, I want to change where these things are going to be stored. Okay, where where these aliases will be stored. Where these aliases will be stored. Okay, sir, this is the very important, sir. There is one special file is there which contains all configuration information. What is that special file? Is dot git config. What is the file name? What is the file name? What is the file name? Can you please spell out? Dot git config, which is the responsible to hold your configuration information. Git configuration information. The name itself indicates git config, git configuration information. To hold that, okay, git config file is available. Sir, where this file will be there? In users home directory. In users home directory, sir. If it is the Linux, we have slash home slash Durga, something like we have. Have you remember, right? Have you, I hope you people remember, right? Okay, this is so just backslash, okay, backslash, okay, something like root home, like we have this type of convention in the Linux. But here I'm using Windows based okay, git. Now have a look once, sir. So what is my username? Lenovo is my username. Okay, Lenovo itself is my username. Where it will be available, sir? In the Linux user home directory, it will be there. But here in the Windows, where it will be there? Sir, usually my computer, okay, this PC, next the C drive. In the C drive, users, in that users, Lenovo is there. Okay, have you observed this location is user home directory in the Windows based missions? Remember this one, sir. C colon users Lenovo, something like okay, something like slash home slash root. Have you remembered, right? Okay, somewhere we may use the word, okay, slash home slash Durga Durga, like in the Linux, we may have this type of terminology, right? The same kind of thing in the Windows is, this is my user home directory. Let me cross check here. Are you seeing anywhere dot git config? Can you please confirm? Yeah. Yes. Observe carefully, right? Observe a bit very carefully. Dot git config. Dot git config file is there, sir. Okay. This is the dot git config file. Okay. Now what I have to take? Just open this file. Open this file. Then you can see all your created alias names. Let me open this file. Okay, I open. Sir, not only aliases, complete configuration information you can see. Whatever you configure by using git config command, username Ravi, email, next and after that core. Okay, like what is the diff tool you configure? Diff tool you configure. What is the merge tool you configure? Next and after that, what is the aliases you used? One means this is the command. Yes means this one. SS means internally how it is going to store git. That's why the problem is coming. Let me remove this one. We don't want this. Okay, are the aliases are available or not? Please confirm. So all these things are available under alias group. Okay, like now here what I want to take is, okay, observe carefully, right? What I want to take is git one. I'm taking, yeah, perfectly it's working, sir. Git one perfectly it's working. But now I don't want one line. I want a complete git information. I want complete git information. Like let me remove this one. Okay, in this file I'm changing. In this file I'm changing. No problem at all. Now let me remove that. Okay, that's all. Just open this file and perform the required change. No problem at all. Sir, here changed. Whenever if you are performing any change in this config file, automatically this change will be reflected. Where is the proof for that? Git one. Now observe, it is not going to show one line commits. It is going to show complete commit information. Yes, friend. Yes. Are you seeing complete commit information or not? It is not one line option output, because you changed in the git config file. So tomorrow, if you want to create any new aliases also, if you want to create any new aliases directly in this file, you can do that. No problem at all. Need not be from the command prompt. Need not be from the bash. Any doubt? So is it really useful concept or not? So sometimes it's a very common requirement, friends. Very common requirement. You should not use a long okay, git commands. Just a simple, you can create your own more convenient names, okay, for our git commands. Such type of facility is available by using git aliasing concept. So it is something like our bash, I mean Linux alias command only, something like. But in the Git, if you want to define for Git commands aliasing, yes, the way it is clear. Friends, everyone got clearly? Not required to explain anything. What is the lifespan of alias? Yeah. What is the lifespan of alias? Now you have to tell what is the lifespan of alias, sir. You have to tell. Just we configured these aliases, okay, by using hyphen global. That's why it is the permanent. Remember this, by using hyphen alias, that's why it is the permanent. Don't feel, okay, it is just a temporary. Okay, now I have one small doubt here. Let me go for here. Now currently I'm in which projects are project 7. Let me move to project okay 6. Project 6 I'm taking, sir. Okay, well, now in the project 6, in the project 6, okay, now this file in the project 6, is these commands are going to work or not? Here just observe git yes. Is it working or not? Array git yes. Is it working on the different repository or not? Different project? Yes, because these are global settings. Global settings. Next git one, if I consider, okay, here only one commit is there. That's why it is going to show. Clear, right? Next, can I replace this file? Viraj, why not? But the required name for the git is always git config. You can take anything, sir. but it should be understandable by the Git. That's all. That's what you should aware about Git aliasing.